This is Tondwa. Here, the passage of time has left nature's rhythms uninterrupted. Her abundant storerooms underpin thriving ecosystems and support the livelihoods of people dependent on them. This relationship is as old as time, a wonder as true for this landscape as it is for the whole planet. But the need is great. How do we begin to harmonize the interdependence of people and nature? Surely, it starts by keeping what nature has already given us intact. Then, it becomes possible to unlock the incredible latent potential and create real benefits for people through sustainable economies. We believe that by growing strong African institutions that effectively manage intact landscapes beyond national parks, that we can start to tip the scales. And we believe to do this effectively, that we must harness the power of possibility created through real human connection.